Awareness poster must be impactful, simple, and thought-provoking. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a professional awareness campaign poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a poster canvas. Choose a solid or gradient background. Add a strong headline. Use bold, readable font to ensure visibility from a distance. Insert a powerful images or symbols. Add contrasting colors. Now add short, impactful slogans in smaller texts. Place campaign details like date, organizer, or helpline number. Use icons or minimal graphics to avoid overcrowding. Include call to actions. Keep layout clean and symmetrical for